Guys, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to prepare some chicken liver. So what I did is that I washed my chicken liver with some lemon, and then I seasoned it with some spring onions, some garlic. I used 5 cloves of garlic, ginger, some salt, and some black pepper. And I left this to marinate for about an hour. And then what I just did just now there was I cut up some cilantro and about 3 tomatoes. And I've also added it to my chicken liver that I'm about to cook now. So like I said, I used those seasonings before and I left that to marinate. So remember I said I used about 5 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, some spring onion, some salt, and some black pepper. And now I am going to cook my chicken liver. Okay, so what I'm also going to add is a little bit of tamari to this, so that the tomatoes that I just added will get a little flavor as well from the saltiness of the tamari. Okay, so now that my oil has heated up a bit, I'm now going to add in my chicken liver. Now there was something else that I had also added, which I forgot to mention. In seasoning the chicken liver, I also added seasoning peppers as well. So I'm going to cook the chicken liver until I see all the redness, all the red liquid coming out of the chicken liver, that it no longer comes out red. It doesn't take that long to cook though. Okay guys, so in order to add a little more flavor to my chicken liver, I'm going to add a little bit of salsa to it. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this and I'm just going to leave it to cook for about 5 more minutes, and then my chicken liver should be completed. Okay guys, so our chicken liver should be completed. Now I hope you enjoyed watching how I prepared my chicken liver. See you in my next video.